Hi, I'm Donna-Maire from Relish, and today I'm going to show you how to get pizza ready for the barbecue. So you can start with a homemade pizza dough, or you can buy a store-bought fresh pizza dough. In any case, we're going to roll out the pizza dough into some rounds and then get it onto the grill. So the first thing we want to do is grill the pizza dough without any toppings, and then we'll finish it. So I'm just going to show you, I've got a pizza dough that I made here earlier. It's proofed beautifully. It's been proofing for over an hour. So I'm going to make two smaller pizzas with it and just shape it into a really nice 12-inch, or a small round, sorry, and then we'll roll it out to about a 12-inch size. So it's easier if you start with nice little rounds, and then you can make your dough from there. So I'm going to just start by rolling the dough. You can also stretch it by hand. Pizza dough is really quite forgiving, and so you want to make sure that you roll it out evenly. Now, one thing you don't want to have when you're rolling your pizza dough is you don't want to have a big thick crust. You want to make sure that you have a thicker edge. Some people sort of think, oh, can I do a sort of a thick edge crust? But we don't want to do that. So we're going to try and go as evenly as we can, but keeping it completely the same thickness all the way around. Okay, before we head to the grill, we just want to make sure we have everything ready for our pizza. So regardless of whatever toppings you're going to use, and I'm going to show you how to make my favorite appetizer pizza, which is my lemon basil pizza. You want to have all your ingredients ready to go. So I've got my pizza dough rolled out. I have my basil chopped. I have some fresh lemon zest that I have zested off of a lemon. And I have my fresh mozzarella. And this is fresh mozzarella. It's not the stringy pizza mozzarella cheese that you'll use for regular pizza. This is the perfect type of pizza for a fresh pizza. The other thing that I have ready to go is my pizza peel, and this is how we're going to get the pizza onto the barbecue. So you want to make sure that you have a nice dusting of cornmeal. If you don't have a pizza peel, you can use a large cutting board, wooden cutting board, or some type of cutting board that's easily going to allow you to slide your pizza on and off the dough. So I'm going to pick my pizza up, and I am just going to slide it onto the pizza peel, or place it on the peel, and you can see as I'm jiggling it, it slides around with the cornmeal underneath. So that's what we really need to make sure happen. All right, let's head to the grill. Okay, so we're ready for the barbecue now. So I've got a really, really hot grill here. You kind of ideally like to have one side a little hotter than the other if you have that ability to do that, if you can adjust your heat temperatures based on the side. Otherwise, try to keep your heat around 500. So we're going to make sure that we have a nice clean grill that we're working with. And then we are going to pop the pizza onto the grill. It's going to go on for about about a minute, and then we will turn it over. We just want to get the grill marks on the one side, so I'll pop the lid down so we don't lose any heat, and we'll come back to it in 1 minute, and we'll flip it and do the second side. Okay, we'll take a look at our pizza. You notice we have some nice bubble action here, which is what we want. We're just going to take our pizza now and remove it from the grill. We're going to turn it over, and we're going to dress it on the side that we had it grilled on. We're going to put all our toppings on, and then we'll pop it back onto the grill once we've got our toppings on the second side, so that everything can melt. Take our toppings. I'll drizzle a little bit of olive oil on this one. Okay, and I just take my hands and we'll just gently rub that. Okay, so then I'm going to take my cheese, and this is the fresh mozzarella cheese, and I'll place the cheese on the pizza. Just place it gently, just really randomly around, and if you want to split the cheese as well, you can do that. I'm going to add my lemon zest on here. So if you had any other toppings, you can add them to this. And then the fresh basil I will do afterwards. This is Maldon salt, which is a lovely finishing salt. So we're going to sprinkle that right on top of the cheese and the pizza. All right, we're ready to go back on for the second side. So I'll take my pizza, slide it right onto the grill now. and we'll give it a minute or so just for everything to melt, and then we'll finish it with our fresh basil and chop and slice it up. Let's take a look and see if our pizza is ready. The cheese has melted beautifully, so we're going to take it and we're going to slide it right onto our pizza or our cutting board. I'm going to garnish this with some fresh chopped basil, and then we'll slice it with our pizza cutter. And that's how you make pizza on the grill.